Welcome back, children, and let's discuss all the details in detail about the determinants which we have already studied in the first part of the video. As you can see this picture, these are the types of determinants: articles, possessive, demonstratives, numerals, ordinals, and quantifiers. Numerals also means cardinals. Now, these are examples of some determinants. The man is behaving so strangely. There is article. These apples are good. These are determinants. His father is out of the city. His father, showing possessive. Which is your car? It is actually interrogative determiner. Which and whose are interrogative determiners. Some more examples are here. Now let's discuss about the first kind of article. So the two indefinite articles in English language are a and an, and the definite article is the. So where to use a? Let's discuss. So in places where the following words starts with a consonant sound, the determiner a is used, and a is also used for singular countable noun. The an is used in places where the following word is a singular countable noun and starts with the vowel sound, like a book, a chair, a pencil. But an apple, an orange sound is of a vowel. Now let's discuss the rules of articles. So a singular countable noun which is mentioned for the first time, we use a. Like I have never seen a gun. I saw a sports bike at the store today. Second rule: a singular countable noun or adjective beginning with a consonant sound. Like I ate a banana. I saw a tall girl today. A singular countable noun which is an example of a class or thing. A pet needs love. Actually, we are not talking about a particular pet. We are talking of for a class. The noun to express a quantity. The rule can be expressed with the help of following example, like I need a dozen bananas. So it is expressing quantity, that how many bananas are there. Then with some units of price, speed, ratio, weight, etc. also we use. This bike gives 35 kilometers a liter. And some with monetary units also we'll use the. I want to earn a billion by the age of 40. Now with the frequency means number of times. Where we are discussing number of times, we also use a. So put these eardrops twice a day. Wash your face 3 times a day in summers. And when there is some exclamatory sentence like what a beautiful morning, what a cute dog, there also we use a. Now let's understand some rules of indefinite determiners. So the spelling of the word following the determiner is not important, only the sound is important. For example, a union, a 1 rupee coin. Although U and O are vowels, but we have used a, because in union the sound is of YU, and in 1 rupee coin the sound is of W. 1 W. Similarly, an honest man and honor, so sound is of vowel, that is O, but the letter is consonant, but we have used an. Indefinite determiners are also used where we are referring, where the noun that does not refer to any particular person, place or thing, like a cat, a boy, an hour. So it could be any cat. Indefinite determiners can be used before uncountable nouns if the noun is used in a particular sense. Like I always have a tea after my lunch. So tea, although is uncountable, but we have used a because it is referring to any particular situation. Indefinite articles are also used before the adjectives if it is followed by a countable noun. Like it is a red color t-shirt. Red colored is adjective and t-shirt is countable noun. The definite determinants is used before the following. A singular noun when it refers to a particular class or group. The luxury car is a rich man's vehicle. My brother has joined the NDA. Names of rivers, ranges of mountains, gulfs, seas, oceans, groups of islands, etc. Like the Jamna, the Andaman, Nicobar, the Titanic, the Savalik range of mountains. The countries which have plural names like the Philippines, the Maldives. Here also we use the. India, it is singular. Indias we don't say, but where the country's name is plural, we use the. Religious books also carry the with them, like the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib, like that. Names of hotels and museums also carry the Oberoi group of hotels, the Burj Khalifa, and certain buildings also. Last names of the families in plural, the Madans, the Malhotra. We will not say the Madan when the name is in plural. Names of newspaper and magazines like the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, the Economic Times. Then superlatives of adjectives like the best boy in the class. So best is superlative, good, better, best. Now descriptive adjectives referring to a whole class or group like the working class, the middle class. Then the names of race and communities, the Hindus, the Christian, the Muslims, like that. Now certain expressions of the English language also use the, like all the colleagues, both the sisters. Now this definite determiner should not be used before abstract nouns, plural nouns, proper nouns, names of meals, colors, materials, when they are being used in general sense. And they should also not be used before the names of the games. And certain expressions like all the day, by the road, by the air, we never say. We say all day, by road, by air, like that. Next category of determiner is demonstratives. So as I've already told you, the demonstrative determiner that is used to avoid repetition. As you can see the example, my shorts are better than those of my brother. I could have also said it like this: my shorts are better than shorts of my brother. But then short would get repeated. So to avoid this, those is used. Similarly, the determiner this tells us about the person or things in near to the speaker, which I have already told you. Like this is the best coffee. These baggies are good. Demonstrative determiner that is used or referred to a person or thing which is far away from the speaker. As you can see the example that throw away those shoes in the garbage. Next category is possessives. So the possessive determinants, so the possession, belongingness or owner. This is my bike, it is their house. So children, that's all in this part of the video. Rest part of the determinants would be continued in the third part of the video. Thank you.